Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
We are
Crazy. So another Friday and we are preparing some delicious recipes. Actually not me, she's preparing the
together.
recipes.
He's helping me with the ingredients and with the cutting and everything. So of course it's us together, but the idea
venture.
is mine.
Yeah,
and the recipe is mine.
Eating, I'm giving the taste test.
In this video, I am going to share some amazing and cool recipes with you guys. There are two food recipes and one beverage recipe. So we hope that you guys will enjoy it. So stay tuned. So the first recipe that we are making is the peanut chaat, and we will start by roasting some peanuts. Here I am roasting it on a medium-high flame and continuously stirring it so that it gets roasted on all sides equally. After roasting it for about 5 minutes, you will see a change in color. We don't want to burn it. We just want the peanuts to become crispy. So we can hear that our peanuts have become crispy. I had let it cool for some time until it came to room temperature. And then I'm adding here some finely chopped cucumbers and tomatoes and some finely chopped green chilies. These are not that spicy. You can go for whichever you like. And a little squeeze of lemon here. It goes a long way. And some salt. You can also feel free to add onions if you all eat onions. Here I've added some rock salt to it and a little bit of sandwich masala. You can use any chaat masala that you have, and that is pretty much it. Later I'm just going to add a little bit of coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves to it, and it's gonna add a really good flavor to it. And we are done. That was as easy as that. Our peanut chaat is ready.
So this is the first recipe which probably I didn't make anything except for the cutting of tomatoes and chilies and cucumber.
And
That's
coriander.
It. Yeah, coriander as well. So
this is the peanut chaat. Let's try it out.
Let's try it out. No problem. Tastes really
Damn good, no? I don't know if it's looking so good or it's doing justice to the taste, but it tastes really good.
Amazing. And this is very much like we used to have this in India when we used to go to one restaurant.
Beach. And also a Juhu Beach.
Restaurant. Yeah, Juhu Beach as well. So it is must try.
This is so simple, so quick, so easy.
And yummy. As well.
Now I'm going to show you all the second recipe. That is some amazing Monaco bites. And even in the Monaco bites, I'm showing you all two different varieties. One gen and one regular. Non-gen. So stay tuned. So the next recipe that we are making is going to be Szechuan Monaco bites, and for that we need to prepare a stir fry. So for the stir fry, I have taken a pan and heated some oil in it and added some onions. And we don't want to cook the onions a lot, only after they become a little bit of translucent. I have added some chopped up baby corns and some capsicums. I did not have the other bell peppers, or you could have even added all the other bell peppers as well. And then I have some chopped paneer over here. We don't have to cook all this all the way through. We just want to cook it partially, and that will give it a nice crunch as well. And we also don't want to make the paneer chewy. So after that, I'm adding a little bit of Ching's Szechuan sauce. You can use whichever Szechuan sauce you like, whichever brand or homemade or whichever you all like. I've taken a little bit of Szechuan sauce, and after that I'm going to give it a nice mix and add a little bit of salt to this, and it's ready. After stirring it for like half a minute, I'm going to transfer it to another bowl, and then we can get ready for the assembling. So moving on to the Monaco bites. I I'm using this Monaco biscuits. You can use any biscuit like 50-50, Crackjack, but make sure it's a little nutty sort of, not sweet biscuit. Okay, so I'm making 2 varieties of each, Gen and non-Gen.
Wow. See how she's decorating the plate for me.
Yes.
I'm actually having water in my
Salivating. Okay. So don't mind, guys. If you all have a problem with having Gen and non-Gen together in one plate, feel free to have it differently. For us, it's okay for now because I want to show it to you all. So let's start with the regular one. Here I have the Ching's Szechuan sauce. You can use any Szechuan sauce, homemade or any other brand, anything that's cool. And just apply a little bit on the biscuit like this. Okay, so I'm quickly going to do it to all the biscuits. So these are the Szechuan bites, if I didn't mention. Yeah, I didn't mention earlier, sorry. So I'm making Szechuan cheese Szechuan bites. Yeah, and here is the stir fry that we made, which I shared with you all earlier. And I'm just going to take a little bit of it. It smells divine, guys. It smells so good. It smells really good. So
Half prepared.
you can see, yeah, it's almost done. Now on to the cheese, the best part that we all love. I'm going to grate some cheese. If you all don't want to, then you all can grate some cottage cheese again on it. It will taste equally good. Actually, not equally good. Cheese is best, you know, but it will taste good.
Yeah.
You can even put a slice of cheese on this, but I have the cube one, so I'm going to grate it. Okay, so the regular ones are ready. Okay, I'm just going to wipe my hands. Get everything off it for the Gen part. Okay. So for the Gen one, we are making pizza bites.
Oh wow.
So it's gonna be as good. Like this, we want to apply the mayonnaise on the biscuit.
This actually looks like a cream biscuit, you know, when you're applying the mayonnaise over it, right?
Yeah, and we are using the eggless mayonnaise. So I'm using this glove so that I can, you know, easily put this in with the help of the spoon. It'll all spill. So here, it feels like I'm making sev puri.
With Monaco bites?
Yeah, with
Monaco biscuits.
Monaco biscuit. Okay, so some cucumbers, some tomatoes.
Ta-da-da.
Then there's some capsicum. If you don't like the raw taste of capsicums, then you can skip. But as Mado likes it, I'm going to add a little bit of it in here. But I have some finely chopped baby corn, and I'm going to add just one, two.
This my Monaco bites actually looks like a pizza, you know.
Yeah.
Then except for the cucumber in it,
Yeah.
I guess.
Now we are going to add the main ingredient, that is the pizza paste. And the reason why I didn't apply it directly on the biscuit is because we had put the mayonnaise, and I want all of them to have their individual flavors. But y'all can do as y'all wish. Even if y'all want to add it directly on the biscuit first and then put the toppings, feel free. And now to the best part.
Ta-da-da. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Yeah.
See, madam.
But I
now
guess you
yours
should-
looks better.
Yeah, you should add some more to yours, or you don't want?
No, I wanted to have the Szechuan flavor. This is like pizza, so it needs more.
Okay. So now it's time for taste test. Let's boom it, baby.
Friends, Szechuan bites खा लो. Szechuan Monaco bites.
और ये भी खा लो. Cheers,
Cheers.
bro. Mm. Mm.
Guys, I swear I wish I could share this with you guys right now. It's terrific. Not terrible. Terrific.
It's actually spoon licking good. Not finger licking good.
No,
it's really yummy.
let me try the pizza one. Sorry, I'm eating one of yours. Yeah, let's get some more cheese on that.
Good? Damn good.
So guys, we are going to finish this off.
I'm
And
already finished it.
We are actually thirsty and we
So,
want something cool
pulpy
and
and
refreshing to drink.
Yeah.
So I'm going to now share a really, really awesome beverage with you guys.
Recipe.
So let's move on. So now we are going to make kiwi mojito. And for that you will be needing some kiwis. So these are peeled. I've peeled them off. I'm going to slice them now. Sorry.
झूठ
Madam.
ध्यान से देखे ये औरत को सरासर झूठ बोल रही है ये शी इज लाइंग आई डिड दैट प्लीज डोंट टेक द क्रेडिट हाउ मच एवर लिटिल बिट आई हैव
In short, the kiwi is peeled.
Are peeled. Thank
Got the
you.
point, guys?
Yeah.
Then you need some sugar. The finer it is, the
better it is.
it will be. And some lime,
Okay.
lemon. Then this is a mixture of some rock salt and sugar. I'll show you why. And you need some black salt, that is Himalayan rock salt. Then you need glasses, of course, for how many people it is. And then you can use Sprite or 7-Up. I have some sugar-free 7-Up over here. Y'all can feel free to use Sprite or 7-Up or even plain soda in that case. So let's move on. I'm going to cut this kiwi into slices.
wow so satisfying
And these slices are just for garnishing on top. Okay, so here we have the slices for the garnish. And in this bowl, it's a huge bowl, but I don't have any smaller bowl right now. I'm going to just chop them roughly. And right now what we are making is the pulp for the mojito. This is the pulp, so you won't be needing the entire glass of it. You just need like 3 to 4 spoons of it, so keep that in mind. And accordingly you can take your measurements for how many ever people you're making. For right now I'm showing you for 2 people, so if you're making for 4 people you can double the recipe. So you can say I've roughly taken 1.5 kiwi for the pulp and half kiwi I have taken for the garnish. To this I'm going to add some rock salt, Himalayan salt. If you don't have this, then you can replace it with your regular salt, no problem. Then I'm going to add some sugar. You can also add honey to it if you like to. So since my drink is also sugar free, I'm going to add a little bit more of sugar. So now I'm just transferring this to a blender and I'm going to blend it quickly in the mixture. And once it's blended, I'll show you how it looks. Let's have a closer look of this. You can see, guys, the pulp. And now we'll keep this aside and we'll get our glasses ready. So what I'm going to do is, I have this cut lime over here and I'm going to squeeze it on the edge of the glass, that is on the brim, nicely coat it. So you can see I've squeezed the lime. What we are going to do is take a tissue and wipe everything that's on the outside if there's anything. We don't want the glass to be dirty. And I'm going to do the same to the other glass first. You want to get some nice amount of juice on that glass from the lemon. Just wiping. I'm not wiping this, guys, I'm just wiping this area. And then I have this sugar and rock salt concoction which I had told y'all, and I'm just going to dip the glass in it. And then you'll get that.
I actually thought you were going to just drizzle it over it, but this is a very
better
Nice
idea.
idea. Good.
And here, our glass is ready.
One sec.
It's exactly how we get outside when we
Wow.
have mocktails.
Looks cool.
And again, same with the glass. And it will also taste really good, trust me. For that, you have to ditch the straw and you have to
Lick
use
it.
your mouth. So our glasses are ready. Now what I'm going to do is add the pulp slowly and carefully so that our decoration does not get spoiled. So this is the measurement, guys, which I had given you all for 2 glasses. 1.5 kiwi for the pulp. And now I have some really cool ice cubes which I'm going to show you. Guys, these are the ice cubes which I had stored in the freezer. So y'all must be thinking, where are the mint leaves in the mojito? So here are the mint leaves. And these are lemon pieces which I had placed in the ice cubes and turned them into the ice. So they are going to add to the color, to the look, and it's going to taste good.
Good.
So I'm going to add like
2 of
a
each.
couple of each to the glass. Okay. So here. And then finally we are going to add our Sprite or 7-Up, whatever you all have. I have a 7-Up over here. We are going to add
Soaking it.
that inside. And also this is the small can, so it's perfect for 1 glass. Actually it's a little less, but the ice is going to melt and so it will increase the quantity of it. And also we are going to add the kiwi, so we have to make sure it's not all spilling out. Okay, so now
Bubbled up.
yeah, I'm going to take a straw and give this a nice stir. Ooh, yummy. Looks so good. Okay, so now we have our slices here and we are going to add it inside.
Oh, I thought it was a topping on the glass.
No, it will. We have done this, right? So
Okay.
this goes inside.
Nice. It's ready.
Cheers!
bro.
Let's taste.
So guys, it's time for the taste
Taste
test
test.
of our mojito.
Kiwi mojito.
Kiwi mojito. Cheers,
Cheers.
bro. Mm. This the outer whatever the salt and what is it? Sugar.
Oh yeah, rock salt.
Rock
and
salt
sugar.
and Himalayan salt and sugar is tasting very good along with the pulp and thumbs up. Sorry, the 7-Up
Sprite.
inside of it. It's really yummy, guys. You should taste it actually.
And the mint from the ice.
It's melting
giving
in it.
it-
Yeah,
yeah.
it's giving a really good
It is
taste.
melting now and it's giving it such a nice kick. It's so refreshing. And it's so hot now in India
Oh.
as well as in
I
Dubai.
thought the drink was
No,
hot.
no, the drink is not hot. The weather is so hot here.
Yeah, actually, it started
And
heating
something
up
like
over
this
here.
is really.
Refreshment is really good. See, I've got the pudina out of the ice.
The mint
Yeah.
leaf. Even I have the lemon and the mint leaves and everything inside. It's so cool. So guys, that was it for the video today.
We shared all the 3 recipes which we told in the start of the video.
Yes.
So,
and we hope that you guys
really
enjoyed
liked it,
watching
enjoyed
this video.
it.
We enjoyed thoroughly.
Thoroughly,
making this
actually,
video.
seriously.
Trying
The
out the
first
stuff.
peanut chart, then the Monaco, we made Jain and regular out of it, and it
And
was
then
really
the
good.
Kiwi mojito.
Kiwi mojito was the, I guess,
Best
top,
one. Yeah, best.
out of all
Out of all the recipes.
3. So, guys,
If you liked the video,
like, share, and subscribe.
don't
Press
forget
the
to
bell
click on the
icon.
bell icon to stay updated about all
All
the
the
new videos that we upload. Bye guys.
Thank you.
Love you. Thanks for watching. This is the halat of our kitchen after the video.
So,
Just look at it, guys.
do you understand, guys?
No pain, no gain.
No gain. It actually takes a lot of
efforts
to to
Film
build the
one
video,
video.
one video.
Then
And-
editing. That is just 25% of the work there.
Yeah.
Then comes the editing.
Actually, the main part, I guess, is the editing, which
Yeah.
is actually done by my wife.
Yeah.
My Manju.
Aw. So guys, just for the mehnat, click
Yeah.
that like button and
Hit that like
subscribe.
button. Hit that like button.
Buckle.
Button. A little bit
Okay.
of emotions came in my mouth now.
Bye guys.